Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best electric scooters on the market. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just having fun, we've got the perfect scooter for you. So, if you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Electric Kick Scooter MH2. First, let's talk about design. This electric scooter features a sleek and modern look with a lightweight frame made from durable materials. It's compact enough to easily carry and store, making it perfect for city living. The MH2 packs a punch with a powerful motor that delivers a smooth and speedy ride. Now let's talk about the features. Comfortable 8.5-inch honeycomb tires, ride in comfort using the rubberized grips, handbrake, the rear mechanical disc brakes to ensure braking safety. Front and rear shock-absorbing 8.5-inch honeycomb tires provide max comfort, even on rough surfaces or speed bumps. Revolutionary electric scooter. Equipped with a powerful 350-watt motor, the electric scooter can reach up to 19 mph and travel up to 19 miles. Our intelligent battery management system ensures battery safety and extends battery life. Up to 21 miles on a 3-hour fast charge. Advanced technology. With the LED display, Bluetooth capabilities, cruise control, select riding modes, and mobile app connectivity for additional security. Super bright LED headlights ensure safety when riding at night. The battery case is an IP54 waterproof design. Portable folding commuter. The main body adopts aviation-grade aluminum alloy, weighing 28.6 lbs. With a one-step folding system for easy portability. 7 electric kick scooter, 350-watt, can be folded with ease in 3 seconds. App lock function. The scooter comes with an intuitive app that lets you control various settings right from your smartphone. From adjusting speed modes to locking your scooter remotely, the app puts you in control. With its combination of style, performance, and practicality, this electric scooter is the perfect solution for those looking to navigate the urban jungle with ease. Number 4. OffRoad Pro ES80 Electric Scooter. Tired of the daily commute grind? Meet the OffRoad Pro ES80 Electric Scooter, your new way to zip through the city with ease and style. The ES80 adult scooter is specially designed for teens and adults. With its compact size and lightweight design, you can easily carry it in your car or office while traveling. This electric scooter offers the perfect blend of power, style, and convenience to keep you moving forward. Safety is a priority with this scooter. It features bright front and rear LED lights for visibility, a reliable braking system for quick stops, and sturdy, shock-absorbing tires that provide excellent grip on various surfaces. Now, let's dive into the performance. The ES80 features a powerful 350-watt motor, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 31 km per hour. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising in the park, this scooter has you covered. The ES80 isn't just about speed. It's designed for comfort and stability, with a robust suspension system and a durable build that ensures a smooth ride on any terrain. Brushless motor. The brushless motor can increase the friction between the electric scooter and the ground, which makes it easier for children to ride. Waterproof. The scooter is waterproof and can be used for a long time. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Smart. The OffRoad Pro electric scooter is equipped with smart sensors, which can be connected to the power of the mobile phone. So, ready to make the switch to a smarter, greener commute? Order your OffRoad Pro ES80 electric scooter today and start your adventure. Number 3. L10 Off-Road Tire Kick Electric Scooter. If you're looking for adventure off the beaten path, this scooter is your ultimate companion. Let's check out what makes the L10 stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about design. The L10 boasts a rugged and durable build, designed to tackle rough terrain with ease. It features large off-road tires that provide excellent traction and stability. Now, let's talk about features. Upgraded version, folding automatic lock design. The car-level folding structure safety lock is safe and stable, and not easy to shake. You can complete the folding of the pole with just one click, one buckle, and one press, which solves the problem of handling and storage of the vehicle after driving, fully showing heroism without showing up. Front rear disc brake. EABS anti-lock electric brake. Rear foot brake double hand grip brake system effectively shortens braking distance. Efficient braking. Quick response. Ensures safe riding. With high efficient concentrated power, lithium battery. High power supply, safe and durable performance, and long endurance. 30-degree climbing angle. The electric scooter is capable of being faster on steep roads, hilly roads, uneven roads, and sandy roads. Pedestrian indicator. Right and left turning light, brake light, and rear light. Pedal wide. Compatible with the human body. Upright riding with feet together is much more comfortable. HDLAD dashboard power. Speed at a glance. Equipped with HD large screen, displays remaining power and speed timely, better acknowledge of scooter status. So, with its rugged durability, powerful performance, and off-road capabilities, the L10 Off-Road Tire Kick electric scooter is the ultimate choice for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. HXX6 Electric Skateboard Scooter. Unleash the thrill of electric skating with the HXX6 electric skateboard scooter, your ultimate companion for urban adventures. Designed for speed, agility, and convenience, the X6 redefines your commute with cutting-edge technology and sleek design. This scooter is equipped with high-quality aviation aluminum alloy material. Its lightweight, high strength, good toughness, and corrosion resistance are its most significant features. Now, let's dive into the performance. Quadruple folding, easy carry. It is the smallest e-scooter, mini e-bike. When you're not using the e-scooter, it folds easily for transport and storage into any vehicle or closet, even your bag. Detachable battery, safe to transport. The HXX6 battery can be detached and replaced. Advanced shock-proof spring, comfortable riding. Hidden spring, double decreasing shock. Equipped with concealed spring damping plus free inflatable wall tires and the dual system on flat soil pavement, the deceleration area can easily pass. Handbrake plus throttle control. Easy to ride. Start by pressing the power button, get moving by pressing the throttle, and use the handbrake to slow down. High-fidelity sound speaker, Bluetooth connecting. Equipped with high-fidelity Bluetooth stereo speakers, continuously 72 hours of play, accompanied by music, and never lonely. Anti-skid pedal. Carbon fiber wearing anti-skid pedal. The weight of the max load is 120 kg. Fat drivers can also ride at any time. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the city, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, the X6 offers a thrilling and practical riding experience. So, discover the freedom of electric skating with the HXX6 electric skateboard scooter. Elevate your daily commute and embrace the thrill of riding with power and style. Number 1. X6 Pro Electric Scooter. The X6 Pro is built for versatility. Whether you're cruising on city streets, navigating through parks, or tackling uphill climbs, this scooter can handle it all. Safety and security are paramount. The X6 Pro features a robust locking mechanism and an integrated alarm system, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. The scooter-level folding structure safety lock is safe and stable, and not easy to shake. The X6 Pro is powered by a high-torque motor that delivers smooth and swift rides, even on uphill climbs. And with its robust tires, you're in for a stable and comfortable journey every time. Fully showing heroism without showing up. Front-rear disc brake. EABS anti-lock electric brake. Double hand grip brake system effectively shortens braking distance. Efficient braking. Quick response ensures safe riding. With high-efficient concentrated power, lithium battery. Power type lithium battery, high power supply, safe and durable performance, and long endurance. Pedal wide. Compatible with the human body. Upright riding with feet together is much more comfortable. HDLAD dashboard power, speed at a glance. Equipped with HD large screen, displays remaining power and speed timely, better acknowledge of scooter status. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just enjoying a weekend ride, the X6 Pro makes every trip enjoyable. With a top speed of 55 km per hour and a range of up to 70 km on a single charge, you can explore your city like never before. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The X6 Pro comes with a fast-charging battery, ensuring you're always ready to roll. And with its energy-efficient design, you'll get more miles for your charge. So, the 5 best electric scooters available right now. Each one offers something unique, so whether you're looking for range, speed, or style, there's an option for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.